So today we'll discuss picture study, page number 50. Here the first question related to the picture study is, observe the picture ABC. Mute your mic. So here observe the picture ABC below and answer the question that follow. Walaikum Assalam. So here the three pictures are there in first question, and related to these pictures some questions are also there. The first question is, listen carefully and raise your hand. Name the type of reproduction by the plants what shown in figure A, B and C. Three hands only. Now only two hands. Mehtab Nadir, yes. Okay. Means in everybody, in every picture, means in all three species, asexual reproduction. In A, fragmentation. In B, vegetative propagation. And in C, sexual reproduction. Yes, say again. Asexual, yes, of course, asexual, but in that you get mention the category also. I want. This fragmentation is asexual, vegetative propagation is also asexual, and means here you can see that in vegetative propagation. Next one, which of the above will produce identical offsprings? Raise your hand. Who is second? I'm asking. And who is this? Professor Muhammad Shamim. Who is this? Tell me your name. First one, you joined the class just now. Here are the three pictures A, B, C. In that you have to tell the type of reproduction. So in A, asexual reproduction and fragmentation means you have to mention which type of reproduction it is showing. Another is asexual reproduction and the type is vegetative propagation. Second. And the third is sexual reproduction. Now the second one, which of the above will produce identical offspring? Yes, Muhammad Adib, you tell me. You're not audible to me. Muhammad Adib. Your voice is not clear. Azra, you tell me. C will give the identical offspring. Identical, are you getting the meaning of identical? Identical means exactly same copy of parent. Dua. Dua. Yes, very good. In A and B, offspring will be identical. Always remember this point. In asexual reproduction, the offspring or the young one, they are the identical copy of the parent because they are just the what you can say cell division mitosis occur, and in this all the characters of the parent retain in the new one or the young one. And sexual reproduction, here the two species or the two different what you can say the two parents involved or the two sex or reproductive cells are involved. So there are so many variations in characters in sexual reproduction. In asexual, always offspring or the young one is identical, just the Xerox copy you can say of the parent. So answer is A and B. Write the names of the reproductive valves. Figure C. Identify the flower. Yes, raise your hand. It's a very easy question. C part of the first. Only 4 hands. 5. What about other students? Shema? You don't know? My voice is breaking. Means my voice is not reaching to you. It's not. Write the names of the reproductive valves of figure C. Identify the flower. Simply you have to tell the reproductive valve of the flower and name of the flower. Androecium and gynoecium, very good. And the name of the flower? The name of the flower is hibiscus, and here the reproductive valves are androecium and gynoecium. Describe the type of reproduction shown in figure B. Here you have to write about it. Which type of reproduction occur in what you can say figure B. Here you just have to describe, you have to write about it. Yes, raise your hand. Why other students are not taking part? Only those 2-3 hands always. So vegetative reproduction is not a asexual reproduction. It's a type of. I told you write asexual as well as in the bracket vegetative propagation. Yes. Got it? D. You joined the class just now. Here the B1 is which of the above will produce identical offspring A and B. D to I just asking only right now. Describe the type of reproduction in figure B. Yes, Munazza. Go have to tell about something and about vegetative propagation. In this, which part is utilized and how it is done? Specifically, in this picture, like tuber is visible in this picture. I'm asking about tuber only. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yes. So tuber is actually the modified stem where the food is stored, and on this nodes or the eyes are present. Means the if you see the potato, there the depressions are there on the surface of the potato. That is actually eyes or the nodes. They are not like eyes like us. They are actually the portions which what you can say produce the bud. These are the areas on the surface of the potato which undergo repeated cell division and produce bud, and this bud later on changes into a new young one or the offspring, and that is exactly identical copy or exact copy of the parent. Okay, now move on to the second question. What is sexual reproduction? Fatma Zafar? Yes, Fatma? Yes, Fatma Zafar? Zaid Azam? Sadika Shakil? Sadika? What is sexual reproduction? Okay, very good. So sexual reproduction is actually where the two reproductive cells are involved, or you can say the male or female gametes are involved. There, there's a fusion of male and female gamete in sexual reproduction. What happened? What? Beta is not clear. Your voice is. I'm not getting what are you saying because it's not clear. You write in chat box. I'll read there. Want to ask? What are you asking? Write in the chat box because your voice is not clear. Hmm. Anyway, Afifa, are you here in the class? Afifa, never give response. Abdul Awwal. Anyway, So in sexual reproduction, actually first the production of male and female gamete occur, and then later on they fuse. So in sexual reproduction, involvement of male and female reproductive parts are involved, and the male and female gametes are involved. So there is a fusion of male and female gamete. Now the next question, move on to the next question of the second, that is B1. A picture A and B represent a male and female gamete. Name these pictures. Yes. Rehma Khalid. Rehma. Name these pictures. Hmm. I ask only B. Okay. Just name the. Okay. Now the third one. Move on to the third. Yes, Adeep, tell me the third one. Label the parts A1, 2, 3 in the picture. What is first? Your voice is not clear. Leave it. Your voice is not clear. Azra, you tell me. Hmm. Third number is cytoplasm. Yes. First is head, and the pointing the part is nucleus. In the head is nucleus, and the second is midpiece, and the third one is the cytoplasm. Okay. Now name the organ of the male reproductive system which produces sperm, serve as a passage for urine, and sperm produces testosterone. So here you just have to name these parts. Yes. Aqsa Hussain. Aqsa. Momina. Momina Zaheen. Yes, Momina. Okay, very good. So just this D part. Name the organ which produce first one produces sperm. Which one produces sperm? Sperm produced by quickly. Dua. Dua. Very good. Serve as a passage for urine and sperm. Yes. Hmm? Very good. Okay. Now the next question is Arfa. Am I audible to you? Arfa. Arfa, are you in class? Huzafa. Huzafa. Huzafa, since long I have not listened your voice. Shafi Akbar. Shafi Akbar. When I call your name, at least at that time you can say salam or yes ma'am something and give response if you don't know the answer. Sumaya Aziz. Yes, yes, you are audible. Ama. Yes, tell me. Tell. Hmm. Fusion on the fusion of male and female gametes, and as a result, the zygote forms. This process is known as fertilization. So many names I called, and most of them they are not given any response. This is very bad. So fertilization is the process by which male and female gametes fuse to produce zygote. Okay. Okay. Then move on to the third. Here the picture shows the female reproductive system in humans. Question 3. Now label the parts 1 to 4 in the picture. Muhammad Umar. Hmm. Answer the first third A. First and 4, not first to 4. All. Ovaries. Ovaries. Hmm. Hmm. Vagina. Vagina. Pronunciation should. Yes. Now he told the first one is oviduct or fallopian tube. Second one is uterus. Third is ovary. Fourth is vagina. Now move on to the next. Where does the ovum stay for 12 to 24 hours after release? Raising hand is enough. Raising hand is enough. I'll give the chance, inshallah. Okay, Shema, tell me. Now tell me. Hmm. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Now the next part. Name the two female hormones. Name the organs which secrete them. Vidyan. Yes. Now Vidyan C. Vidyan. Vidyan. Yes, Vidyan. Third C. Estrogen. Very good. Progesterone and estrogen is the female hormone, and which organ releases or secrete these? Umrah. Raising hand is enough, and he is already telling answer. Why are you interrupting? Tell me. I'll give you chance. You just raise hand. Ovaries. Okay, very good. Now the next question. What is the role of the parts labeled as 2? Raise your hand. Out of 26, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6 hand only raised. Rest of the students where they are? Shafi Akbar, Yasser, Yasser, Muiz, Aqib, Okay, tell me, Sumaya. Where the embryo, embryo grows and develops. Yes, very good. Now move on to the next question. That is fourth one. Yes. Right now, what is the question? Role of the part labeled as 2. Only role. Function. So she told correct answer. No need to add this point in it. Okay? Because function, here the question about the function. Anyway. So the next question, fourth one, the picture given alongside shows the part of the flower leaf with the parts 1 to 9 indicated by arrows. Here, here the one picture is given, that's the flower, and here you have to label it. So quickly, you all of you label it. Who is this? Who? Abhi. I'm not getting your name. Please say again. Adeep. Sorry. Okay. Just tell me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Slowly, slowly. Everybody, write it quickly. Yes. First one is stigma. Yes. Adeep. Second is style. Second is style. Now the third one is ovary. Very good. Then fourth one. Here one only pointing out, so you can means one unit of the calyx is sepal. So write sepal. Then the fifth pedicel. Very good. Then the sixth thalamus. Good. Then the seventh filament. Eighth. Very good. And third. Ninth petal. So ninth one is petal. Now A part. What are the male reproductive part of a flower collectively referred to as? Raise your hand. Yes. I don't know. To everyone, my voice is not clear. Momina, you might having the network problem. My voice is means clear to everyone. They are saying. Okay. So here, Momina, you are means not able to listen me. I'm not audible to you. Yes. How are you giving answer? Now it's coming fine or not? Give me the answer of A. Fourth A. Yes. Fourth A. Aksa. Quickly. Metab Nadir. Forte. Hmm. Yes, you are correct. And Lucian. And why the term collectively is written here? Who will give the answer? Yes, Nabiha. Why the term collectively is written here? Answer stamen. Yes, means and Ruchiam is made up of stamens. More than one stamen or more than two stamens. They can be many in number. So it's not like this. Means there is just only the answer, and Ruchium is actually the collection of the stamens. Stamen. Stamen is made up of two parts, anther and filament. That's another thing. Then anther is having the full lobes that is having inside that the pollen sac, the pollen grain. That I am not asking. I am asking only. And Ruchum is just the collective collection of stamens. Okay. Now move on to the next. Define pollination. Distinguish between self-pollination and cross-pollination. Raise your hand. This is very easy question. Shafaq. 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 Kasha. Tell me the next, this one, B1. Pollination and distinguish between the both type of pollination. Quickly. Hmm. And what is self and the cross pollination? Hmm. Cross. What are you saying? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. Self pollination when this transfer occur in the same flower or the different flower of the same plant. And the cross pollination when this transfer occur in the two flower of the different plant. When the two different plants are involved, not only the two different flowers, two different plants are involved, then it is called cross pollination. Self pollination when only one plant is involved, whether the flowers are different. So it's self pollination. Now move to the next question. What is the product of fertilization known as? Easiest question, I think so. Still, those only hands are raised, those who are raising. No new hand is there, and I think this is the easiest question. What is the product of fertilization? Huzaifa, Ubaida, Arfa, Aqsa, Aqib, Amar, Amar Zahid, Amar Zahid, Shafaq. Answer is Zygote. Now to the next question. Where were you? I was calling your name. Okay, okay, okay. What does the ovary grow into after fertilization? What does the ovary grow into after fertilization? What, Muzaffar? Hmm. Quickly. Very good. Yes, ovary grows and grows into fruit after fertilization. Now to move on to the next question, that is 5. Observe the picture A to D below and answer the following questions. Here the four pictures are given A, B, C, D, and related to these pictures some questions are there. You have to answer them. Identify the vegetative part of the plant in picture A to D. All. Yes, Nabiha. We are on fifth question. The A part of the face I'm asking you. Hmm. 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 Okay. Good. So the first one, subaerial stem. Second is rhizome. Third is bulb. Fourth is leaf. Anyway, the next one, which of these are underground stem? Raise your hand. Underground stems. Yes, Dua. Dua, tell me which one is the underground stem? All are underground. Leaf is also subaerial stem also. B and C. Oh. Now the third one, which is the subaerial stem. Hmm. Yes. A1. Yes, figure A is the subaerial stem. Now the next one, identify the plant in picture D and explain its mode of reproduction. Mode of reproduction you have to tell in this picture. Picture D. So, Adib, you tell me. Shema. Shima. Now just exercise is going to be finished only. The last point is going on. They, if I will go and ask, the time will be again over. This the last point is there. They will see in recorded video. Okay. Why they have not joined? I always saying this thing only. When it is when it is disconnected within the time, rejoin it. So everybody should know this thing. Shima, I asked the D1 from you. Identify the plant in picture D and explain mode of reproduction. Okay, Rama. Okay. The mode of reproduction is vegetative propagation. Yes, through the leaf, and means at the margin of the leaf, the buds are there. These buds act as the source of reproduction. Okay, now the exercises are done. Now your work is left to complete these in your notebook, and inshallah today I'll assign the work, and 2-3 days you will be having to complete it. Okay, so positively complete your work and post on app only. Okay, I'll assign the work LG LG app only, and there only you just post your work. First complete your work, all the exercises, all the question answers, and then post your work.